Well, welcome, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me on the mat. I have a Hatha yoga flow for you today. I won't be using any props in today's practice, but of course have them nearby just in case. We are going to begin today's practice standing at the back of the mat, so go ahead and make your way there in your own time. Feet hip distance, beginning to ground down through all four corners of your feet. Palms open to the space in front of you, standing nice and tall in Tadasana, our mountain pose. On your inhalations, lengthen up through the crown of your head. And on your exhalations, feel the shoulder blades glide down your back, shoulders relaxing away from your ears, grounding down deeper through the soles of your feet. Breathe in, lengthen up. Exhalation, ground down. On your next exhalation, soften chin to chest. Feel that lengthening and opening on the back side of the neck. And then begin to slowly round forward, letting the arms dangle. Head is heavy. And then take a sway side to side once you're lowered. Slow inhalations through your nose. Complete exhalations out your nose. With your exhalations, allow the body to get softer and softer, weighing closer towards the earth. Slight bend in the knees. Inhalations and exhalations of equal length. And let's find stillness at center. Very generous bend into your knees. Ground down through your soles of feet and really press away, and let this action be what slowly rolls you up. Breathe in, circle the fingertips up to the sky. Exhalation, cactus the arms back and down. Bring your palms to your lower back, fingertips pointing up. And then we will lift the heart, breathe in, press the hip points forward, soften the head back if it feels safe. Shine that heart nice and bright. Soft smile upon the face. Draw the elbows back. On your next inhalation, lift up. Circle the fingertips up to the sky. Exhalation, cactus the arms, slight bend in the knees, and hinge forward. Breathe in, lift halfway. Exhalation, release chest to thighs. Ground down to slowly roll up. Circle the fingertips up to the sky. Exhalation, cactus the arms down. Bend into the knees and hinge forward. Breathe in, lift halfway. Exhalation, release, yearn chest to thighs. Ground down and slowly roll up. Breathe and circle the fingertips up to the sky. Exhalation, cactus the arms. Slowly hinging forward. We'll hold it here in our forward fold. Ground the palms and slowly walk the palms forward, coming into downward facing dog. Pedal into one heel and then the other. Feeling out the back sides of your legs, connecting with the space. Use your breath. Gonna take the feet as wide as the mat. And then we'll just sway the hips side to side, feeling the weight transfer from one foot to the other. Feeling the sensations travel from one leg to the other. And staying connected with your breath. Beautiful. Let's bring those feet back into hip distance. We'll step your right foot forward. Soften the back knee to the mat. And when you're ready, we'll inhale your fingertips up to the sky for low lunge. Breathe and lengthen up. On the exhale, exhale at your navel and twist and open to the side, right side. Fingertips reaching in opposing directions. Stay bent in that front knee. And then we'll soften your back hand to your thigh. The front arm reaches up and back. And the arms opening to the side. Bring the palms to kiss at prayer. We're going to lower your front tricep to the outside of your front leg, coming into a twist. Palms can fuse together at heart center. You can make a fist with that left hand, wrap the right hand around. Coming into a twist. Lifting your gaze towards the sky. Staying broad and open across your chest. On your next inhalation, let's lift up. Return to center. Reach the fingertips up to the sky for low lunge once more. Then exhale your arms down, hands lower to frame the front foot. Tuck the back toes, press up. Open the toes to the side space. We're just transitioning to the back side, so open the back toes to the back of the mat, back heel pops up. Soften the back knee to the mat. Low lunge on the second side. Johnny, what are you eating? Come here. Last time we went home and, come here, buddy. He got sick and puked in the car. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Just come and lay down. Good boy. Yeah. Let's breathe and lengthen up. Exhalation, twist at your navel and open to the left side. Fingertips reaching in opposing directions. Really exhale at that navel to twist and open to that left side. Soften the back arm, hand to the thigh. Front fingertips reach up and back. Fan your arms to open wide once more. Bring your palms to heart at prayer. And lower the front tricep to the outside of that thigh, coming into our twist. On your next inhale, let's lift up. Return to center, send the fingertips up to the sky for your low lunge once more. And lower the hands down to frame the front foot. Back toes are tucked. We'll press up and open to the side space. This time we're going to stay here in our wide leg forward fold. And then just slowly bend into one knee and then the other, shifting your weight side to side. As we do this, have the toes pointing in, heels out. And just take this a few times at your own feel-good pace. Go ahead and turn around so my booty isn't in your face. If you'd like to hold in stillness, just listen to the intuition of your body. Find stillness at center and just release yourself forward. Let that crown of head get close to the earth. Walk your fingertips towards the front of the mat. Back heel pops up. Toes open to the front of the mat. We'll step back for our plank pose. And in your plank pose, fingertips are spread nice and wide. Press away. Pedal through your heels. Pedal 10 times. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful work. Let's shift forward. Lower halfway. Chaturanga, breathing in to your upward facing dog. Soften the knees to the mat. Lift that heart. Take your gaze over your right shoulder. And then over the left. Return to center. And melt those hips back to your heels for child's pose. Find a sweet release here. Surrender. Surrender to this present moment and all that it is. Letting everything just be. Let's slowly roll up. Sit up nice and tall. Line your head over your heart and your heart over your pelvis. Let your hands relax wherever feels comfortable. Gently close those eyes, or you can take a soft gaze forward and just move within, noticing the effects of your practice. Take a moment to set an intention to take this energy you have cultivated here on the mat with you off into your day, that mindfulness, that connection, staying present, honoring your body's cues. And let's breathe in, circle those fingertips up to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss the top and bring all that love and light down to heart center. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for our Hatha yoga practice today. I hope you feel amazing in body, mind, and spirit. If you enjoyed, please give the video some love with a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. If you haven't yet, check out our members-only site here on YouTube just by clicking the join button below, and we have a few different tiers that you can check out. If you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to include them in the comments of this video. All right, my friend, you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye-bye. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, were you getting snacks out there?